Statement 8. Not everyone will agree with you. You're in charge of making the final decisions of your life. When you're growing up, the people charged with caring for you have a great amount of authority. But at the end of the day, you choose what actions you take. You generally decide to listen because they clothe and shelter and feed you. And that's a good idea because you aren't providing those amenities for yourself yet. It's also a good idea because they've lived more life, have had certain experiences, have learned certain lessons that you've yet to learn. At the same time, many of those experiences were painful and caused them to become jaded and afraid. When you're developing your own path, there are decisions you'll have to make for you. Decisions others may not see value in. Because they don't see how it'll value their life. Or they only see how it brings devastation to yours. Your friends or associates won't always understand your vision. They'll say you're reaching too far, doing too much, going the wrong way. But that's their perspective. That's their opinion. They don't have to agree with you. They don't have to see what you see. Your vision is yours. Your life is yours. It's your job to be the best at being you. Not everyone will agree with what you do to accomplish that.